Hi, welcome to Egmo Grammarholic. How are you all? Yes. So I hope everyone is keeping fine, and today we are going to speak about reported speech. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಧರಣ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is very important when it comes to second PUC. So you will be asked with 5-mark question for this particular reported speech. How are we going to speak about? Now, first and foremost, what do you mean by reported speech? ಉತ್ತರಣ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅದನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. So what do you mean by reported speech? Reported speech is a speech or the sentences which is spoken by someone and spoken to someone else. For example, my name is Edwin and I say that tomorrow I am not going to come to school. When I say same thing to my friend, that is to Pawan, so how you would be saying? Pawan said that Edwin is not going to come to school tomorrow. Do you understand? So this is how we will be changing from a reported speech. For this, another name is given: direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech would be, I am not going to come to school tomorrow. And indirect speech would be, Pawan said that he is not going to come to school tomorrow. The next day, tomorrow becomes the next day. So this is what we see in terms of reported speech. Did you understand? Yes. Now we will see about how we go about this particular reported speech. What are the rules and regulations of this particular reported speech? Now, first and foremost, what is a reported speech we have seen, and what are the rules and regulations of reported speech we are going to see about. Always, reported speech or direct speech, it has got two parts. Which are the two parts of reported speech? Now, for example, I gave you the example saying that I am not going to school tomorrow. Now look at here. This statement is given by who? By Pawan, and it should be a double inverted comma. Now who says this? Pawan. So this is called as a reporting clause. Reporting clause. Reporting clause. And this part is called as a reported clause. What we say, says Pawan, this part it becomes reporting clause. Who is reporting? And I am not going to school tomorrow, that becomes reported clause. Now both has to be changed. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Pawan says ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? said that I ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? I is nothing but a pronoun. I is a pronoun. Personal pronoun ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರ್ವನಾಮ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So Pawan said that I becomes he. ಇಲ್ಲಿ am ಇದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪವನ್ said that he was not going to school. Now tomorrow becomes what? The next day. The next day. So this is how we will be changing from a reported speech or direct speech to indirect speech. And second thing, if at all if you observe this punctuation mark, double inverted comma what we have, we will not be using that. We will be removing that particular double inverted comma when it comes to indirect speech. So this is how we will be changing from direct speech to indirect speech, or we can also call it as reported speech because we are reporting to someone. So because of that reason it is called as a reported speech. Now, having said so, in this particular video we have already seen what is a reported speech and why is it called as reported speech, and what are the terms that we have in a sentence when we have indirect speech. One is reporting clause, the other one is reported clause. And we also saw how we change this particular direct speech to indirect speech. In the next session, I will be telling you how are we going to change this particular direct speech to indirect speech in terms of the tenses. Until then, bye. So we shall meet in the next class. Please do remember to subscribe and even to share if it is worth sharing to all the second PUC students who are writing their examination in this. So please do share my video and let this video reach each and almost every second PUC students who are writing their examination, and let this video be helpful for them in terms of reported speech. Thanks to one and all. Please do subscribe, share, and let us learn together and let us be Gramaholic. Have a nice day, guys.